Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on time on the half hour. We have some more exercises here following on from the previous video. This time we're looking at time on the half hour. For the following digital clocks, write down the time shown on the screen. So if you want to pause the video to do the answers, you may do so now. I will now move on to the answers on the next slide. And here are the answers. So we've got 3:30 or 3:30, 8:30 or 8:30, 1:30 or 1:30, and 4:30 or 4:30. For the following analog clocks, write down the time shown on the screen. If you'd like to do the answers, just pause this slide now. I will move to the next slide now, where we'll look at the answers. 7:30 or 7:30, 2:30 or 2:30, 10:30 or 10:30, 5:30 or 5:30. Connect the same digital and analog times by using straight lines. Again, it's up to you whether you pause the video now and do these. I will move straight to the answers right now. So here we have 9:30, that's the analog and digital. Here we have 6:30, analog, digital. Here we have 2:30, analog, digital. And here we have 11:30, analog and digital. So this has looked at time on the half hour, and we've seen some exercises showing analog and digital times.